So what if you want to turn right here? Who would have priority?
Me.
Or you couldn't have priority there because you're crossing the path of that vehicle.
Oh yeah, okay. So you'd have to wait for.
You have to wait for that vehicle. These people wait for you.
Yeah,
Why?
because the giveaway
That's the
sign.
giveaway. But the fact that you have no giveaway and that guy have no giveaway, you have
Yeah.
to think now who's crossing whose path.
Oh, okay.
And
So
you
it's always yeah.
yeah. In a case like this now, if this guy here want to turn right here and you want to go ahead, who would have the priority? This is you wanting to go ahead. This person want to turn right here. Who's got priority?
Me.
Good. Tell me why though.
He's turning right, and I'm going straight.
Thereby he's gonna cross your path there.
Oh yeah, he's turning the wrong way.
Well, because